Hey guys, thank you for joining. So this video is about this makeup look right here, which is my fresh face 5-minute makeup look. But since I'm explaining and talking to you guys, it's a little longer than 5 minutes. As always, I'm gonna leave the details of the products that I used on my face in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And if you want to know how to get this look, then stay tuned. Already moisturized, toned and SPF'd my face, so I'm gonna quickly jump onto the base. And for the base today, I wanted to do something light, and for that I'm gonna be using NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and I'm in the shade 11 Beige. So I'm gonna quickly give it a shake, and then using the dropper, I'm gonna apply some onto my face. I really love this foundation because it not only gives me enough coverage, but also it doesn't feel so like heavy on the face. And I'm gonna blend this away. Comment down below what are your favorite foundations for every day. On a daily basis, I don't wear concealer, and on a daily basis, I don't do like full-on look. It's just if I feel like my face is put together and if I feel it's evened out a little bit, I don't even mind showing my under eye circles because we all have them. So I don't believe in like completely concealing it away. And comment down below if you're somebody just like me who doesn't like to wear concealer on a daily basis. I'm gonna quickly powder my face evenly so that I can control the oils that's gonna seep out during the day. For that, I'm gonna be using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent. The best way to apply is with a big brush like this. This is from Eco Tools. It's their mini sheer powder brush. It's a travel size. And I'm using an eyebrow pencil from Rimmel London, and the name on this is completely erased because this is how much I've been using this pencil non-stop. So it's got a spoolie on one end and it's got the twist up product on the other end. So the brows are on, and I think defining brows makes such a huge change. Back in the days, I never even used to touch my eyebrows. You can see in my earlier videos that they were like so thin like thread. But then this is my brow routine now. I just fill them in with the pencil and then quickly give it a brush with the spoolie at the end. Now let's jump on to the eyes. For my everyday, I just sweep one color across my lid and then a little bit of shimmer in the center of the lid, so that it's not like flat and gives a little bit of dimension. And then if I feel like I go in with a liner, or else I'll just curl my lashes and call it a day. For the eyes today, I'm going to be using Australis Neutralize Nude Eyeshadow Palette, which is this baby right here. So what do we do today? I think I want to go with something like more orangey tones. I think I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. I just take it on an Eco Tools brush, dab off the excess and then apply it all over my lid. It's just one shade that I use on my entire lid. I apply it first and then I take another brush to blend it, and that's why it's like neat and puffed out. I know it looks a little untidy right now, but don't worry guys, we're gonna blend that all out. So, and then I take a big blending brush like this and then I go to town with the blending. I think this is like my signature look. I just put one color across my lid and then I put a little bit of shimmer in the center to give it that dimension, but this is pretty much it. I know it looks crazy without any concealers or anything, but in real life, if you were to see me in person, my face looks like pretty put together. So the camera sometimes emphasizes stuff we don't want it to be and doesn't emphasize the stuff that we want. So it's all about the camera angles. So just to add a little bit of balance to the eyes, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is next to the black, and I'm gonna run it down my bottom lash line. The shimmers, let's do a little bit like a champagne shade, so I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to take it on my finger and then just put it in the center of my eyelid. So adding that shimmer onto the eyes really makes a difference. It doesn't make the eyes look flat. I'm going to be using super liner from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to quickly just line my eyes and I'll be right back. I'm going to add an eyeliner in the lower lash line, just on the outer corners, because I started doing it and I really like it. I'm gonna just quickly give my lashes a curl. Add that bronzer. I'm using the Rimmel Maxi bronzer, so it has like 3 different shades in it. I hope you can see it. I'm gonna just quickly add that to my cheekbones, my temples, and my big 6 head. So I always like to add a little bit on my forehead just to make it look a little bit smaller. To this cheek. I can never get my bronzer on this cheek without any struggle. I don't know why. I can do it on my right side, but on my left side I get really weird and I struggle a little bit. The next thing is blush, and for that I'm going to be using another EcoTools brush, which is a mini precision brush. Alright, so for the blush we're going to use Mellow Wine from Wet n Wild. This stuff is really pigmented, you just need the tiniest amount. Otherwise you're going to end up looking like a clown. Now for my favorite part, which is the highlighter. I'm using this travel size teeny tiny Becca highlighter, which is in the shade Champagne Pop. If you can just see how it shines, so subtle, but it makes your skin look fresh and healthy. And for now, the lips. And dang it, I didn't bring any lipstick with me. No worries, we're good. I just got some lipsticks from my makeup bag that's in my bag. And if you guys want to know what's in my bag, I just did a recent video on it. I'm going to leave the link down below. Go check that out, give some love. So I'm going to use the Burt's Beige crayon in Redwood Forest. And that's it. This is my face done. Just let's set the hair. I know my lips look kind of crooked in the camera, but in person it doesn't look like that. I don't know why that happens. Like, you can amp up the look by adding loads of mascara and then maybe smoke out the lower lash line and then adding intense highlight and maybe switching up the lips. So I hope you liked it. If you did, give a thumbs up to this video and please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. Comment down below about the products that you use daily to do your makeup, or if you're somebody who doesn't wear makeup at all. I just love to hear your thoughts on this video and also try to communicate. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye. I'm gonna... I just poked myself in the eye with this brush.